Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create or how to make your personal Instagram account into a business or professional account. So the first thing we want to do, of course, is going to be opening up the Instagram account. How to open it? Of course, open the Instagram application itself. And from here now, let me just go to the landing page so we can go from the first step. So this should be your homepage, this should be your landing page. Don't be afraid or don't be nervous if you're not seeing the same feed as at my end, because we're not following the same people. Anyway, from here now, I just want you to go to your profile. To get there, just click on your icon, and this should be your profile section. You should be seeing your name, your username, your profile picture right there, your followers, followings, etc. So how can we change our personal account to professional or business account from here? I want you to click on the three lines on the upper right. And then from here now, click on settings and privacy. Okay, this is the tricky part. From here now, you should check on accounts. But since we have Meta here, if you click on accounts right there, you'll be linked to the Facebook account or on any other account. So we're gonna avoid that, okay? Before, just click on accounts and that should do it. So to be specific, to be sure, click on the search bar right there, type in account. If you type in account, you'll have account center, accounts privacy, muted accounts, account type and tools, and of course, the one that we need, it's going to be switched to professional account. Once you click on that one, you'll have a few notifications here before you go through. Just click on continue, continue again, and continue. Keep on clicking continue, and from here now, it's a personal experience. It's going to be a personal questions for you. For example, the first question is what best describes you. I'm going to be an artist. You can display on profile or not, it's just up to you. Click on done, and then a few more questions just to make sure that the business account or professional account is tailored to fit for you. So just keep on going here. Creator or business, it's up to you guys. If you want business, if you're gonna use this account for business purposes, click on business. And of course, if we're gonna go through the life of a content creator, click on creator. That being said, this is the way of how you can make your professional account into a business or professional Instagram account. Okay? That being said, thank you for watching. I hope you have a safe one. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Goodbye for now.